In the name of Holy Allah, I welcome you all to the Karakoram International University, and I'm grateful to Professor Teng for connecting with all of us, all the consortium members in this very difficult time of COVID-19. For us, when we are in the COVID-19 as a university, I think we have the three top priorities and challenges. The first is to ensure the safety and security of universities and students and faculty and staff. And that has been our top agenda. And Professor Tasawwur Beg, who was the convener and leader of that committee, provided different kind of safety protocols. And Alhamdulillah, with the grace of Allah, we could avoid any kind of infection at the campus to our student, faculty, and staff. The second priority was to save the time of students and their semester and maybe their entire academic year. Now, this was really a very big challenge because the area in the Gilgit-Baltistan of Pakistan, we are facing a lot of difficulties in reaching to the students in terms of connectivity, in terms of internet and speed. So we have developed a blended model which incorporates all the segments of education like online, offline, distance learning, facilitation centers and all these. And I hope that we will be reaching to each and every student across the Gilgit-Baltistan. The third challenge we are facing is to also ensure that the university is not facing any kind of financial miseries, and we are able to move the university out of this financial crisis. So we have come up with a robust financial contingency plan, and I hope that within next 5 to 6 months we will be able to steer the university out of this crisis, because all the universities are facing the crisis. My request to all the consortium universities is that we should collaborate with each other. I appreciate this initiative. We should work in the areas of research, learning from each other in the COVID and pandemics-like situation, and how can we create the opportunities out of these threats for our students. That is the biggest challenge. So thank you very much, and once again I'm very grateful to Professor Teng for this opportunity.
Hello, good day to everyone. This is Tasawwur Beg, and I'm just taking care of the KIU's safety committee. That was one of the obvious fact for everybody of us about this COVID pandemic scenario, which not only actually shocked the entire world, but that was completely a new thing to experience especially for our generation. And then to deal with this was one of the challenging aspects. Initially, one of the plan we had after establishing this safety committee was to create the awareness. Nobody was expecting the intensity of the impact of this COVID-19 on the campuses, on our daily lives. So we just go through creating a lot of awareness sessions for the students and the staff before the lockdown across the world. And of course, we were among one of the institutions we had an impact to close down the campus. But at the same time, learning and the research is not something to be stopped. And then we just looking into all those avenues to harness the digital platforms. And for that, we created certain safety SOPs, standard operating procedures, that was based on meeting the international standards, the health advices from the local government and the federal government directives. So keeping all these three perspectives, we structured our own standing operating procedures, and which has been strongly complied by our staff, our students. Currently, the students are not allowed actually. They are just enjoying their academic things as a distant learning through using the digital platforms. And then that's what we started with, creating awareness. We made a lot of arrangements on the campus, technical arrangements. For instance, we had a couple of arrangements and services to the society arranging in terms of the KIU's contribution, particularly the Department of Chemistry's role to produce KIU sanitizers and fumigations, which was used not only to spray around the campus, but also we extended this service to the local government, the local civil society organizations, and this was highly appreciated. And at the same time, we also need to appreciate the role of the students who has student volunteers, the KIU volunteers who has extensively supported the noble cause to fight against COVID-19 in terms of volunteering themselves to create awareness in the society and be the part of these COVID-19 ventures to curb down its spread across the society. and then followed with the preparedness. To facilitate our staff who wanted to commute to the campus, for that we are liaising with the government and our own institutions and with the Higher Education Commission.
This is Dr. Aftab Ahmed Khan, heading the IT task force of Karakoram International University. As you know, before this pandemic, COVID-19 situation, we had the LMS learning management system, but it was used by very few people or many very limited people. But after this situation, we started this learning management system, and around 60% of our students and most of the around 100% of our faculty members now they are using. Actually, we on the direction of our vice chancellors, we started our this LMS system, and we have developed this system over on. And and we started the trial version, and during this trial version we were very successful. Around 70% of our students and faculty members, they use this LMS, and they get benefit from this LMS. And after this trial version, when we were successful, then now we started with the blended education system, because most of our students, they are living in far-flung areas in different valleys of Gilgit-Baltistan. So to reach them, they don't have the internet connectivity. So we are using a combined system of online and offline, and we are hopeful that we will be successful in this venture also. And in this blended system, we are planning to introduce offline system through providing our LMS content, teaching and learning content through our resource centers, which we have established in different districts of Gilgit-Baltistan.
As we believe COVID-19 has a negative impact, it's a contagious thing. We have to be protected on that. In the same way, human hope and collaboration is a strong will, is also contagious, and together we can have we can radiate the positive will to counter these things and have a better life. Thank you.